Echo, Echo, Echo. He wants to play with Coco. Echo. Echo.
Echo, Echo, look. Está temblando, tenemos frío.
I know he's cold. He wants to play with Coco so badly. Echo. Echo. It's okay. Let him go on the floor. Let him go on the floor. Put him on the floor because he wants to play with Coco and Coco doesn't want to play with him. Go get him. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out.
You're about to make a whole lot of people around here real happy. So let's start.
Y soy voy pelota dándole ella la pelota ahí.
Humanitarian now or something?
Echo.
You need to get your mind right.
Echo. Come here. Las patas miradas. Ven acá, Echo. Come here.
It's a detour?
Y pelota.
Yeah. Looks extra ouchy.
Oh.
And Junior's taking a picture of it.
I'm not taking a picture of it.
I put
I don't know.
Yang.
I'll ask
I
the
saw
vet.
it.
Huh?
I saw it.
Touch him in the air.
You dropped the dog. Junior, your culo's in the way.
Okay, go. Just go. Déjalo por ahí, que experimente por ahí.
Till further notice, why don't we just keep everything in that place?
Esa vuelta.